Unyancha. Igoto kuchaka nensemo yechisemi tuchakira se county ya Kisii omudirector w'isemi kurwa se county ya Kisii Pius Ngoma nigatebire buna omurobiryo junior secondary school nigogendrete gwikiranirwa bijya asaborokiwa bagendrete gwikirana ase chi school omega yogotarra chi school chinyinga seri tukuria rero gati school cyabakagotarra ne school ya daraja 2 yibona igotoka ime ye county ya Kisii asata ya buna omurobiryo junior secondary nigogendrete gwikirana bene ase school chinyinge ase county ya Kisii.
I'm Ngoma Pius, County Director of Education, Kisii County. We have come here to check on the reporting of junior secondary students. With us here are a few of them, and you can see they are ready to go. They are prepared for their learning. Others are in class. We have checked their classes. They are still reporting. In this school alone, we expect 127 students will be reporting for junior secondary, but the school is also a hosting center for other schools that might not be able to offer the ASS. So that number 127 can be up to 200 depending on the number that want to be here. And it can be 127 plus or less, because other students are also going to other schools to take their JSS depending on the preference of the parents and also the proximity of where they are. In Kisii County, last year we had the Kisii candidature of 32,233 that we offered for Kisii, and this number is what we expect to transit to